Yo, what's up everybody? It's 2025 and the money game's hotter than ever. You could start with just a single penny or a whole stack of cash and still become a millionaire by the time this year is over. Sound crazy? It's not. I'm serious. This year's your shot to turn hustle into wealth with trends, tech, and grit. I'm talking life-changing money. The kind that lets you travel the world, buy your dream car, maybe even your own island. In just 7 minutes, I'm gonna break down exactly how you can make that happen. We're diving deep into the hottest money-making trends of 2025. Think AI, e-commerce, crypto, the whole 9 yards. I'm gonna show you how to find the right hustle for you, scale it up, and watch the cash roll in. So, are you ready to change your life? Because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Let's stack that cash. Alright, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of making bank, we gotta understand the playing field. And trust me, the 2025 money landscape is looking like a gold mine, if you know where to dig. First up, AI. This stuff is blowing up faster than a MrBeast challenge video. We're talking ChatGPT on steroids, people. AI is powering everything from the content you consume to the code that runs your favorite apps. That means massive opportunities for anyone who can learn the ropes. Next, e-commerce. Shopify just dropped some mind-blowing stats. Global online sales hit $6.3 trillion last year. That's trillion with a T. Setting up an online store is easier than ever, and you can sell anything from handmade crafts to digital products. The world is your oyster, baby. And let's not forget about crypto. Bitcoin's dancing around the $100,000 mark again, and the whole crypto market is buzzing with activity. Now, I'm not saying you should throw all your money into Dogecoin, but learning how to navigate this space could lead to some serious gains. But here's the thing, traditional jobs, they're not as reliable as they used to be. Only 143,000 new jobs popped up in January, way below the 170,000 everyone was expecting. Don't wait around for a paycheck, guys. Create your own opportunities. That's where side hustles come in. Forbes says nearly half of all Americans are already hustling on the side, making an average of $810 a month. And some people are even cracking millions. So what are you waiting for? 2025 is the year to take control of your finances and build the life you've always dreamed of. You don't need $1 million to make $1 million. Even if you've only got a single penny in your pocket right now, you can still make some serious cash. It's all about thinking exponentially. Imagine this. You take that penny and double it every single day. Day 1, you've got 1 cent. Day 10, you got $5.12. Day 20, you're sitting on over $5 grand. And by day 30, you've got over $5 million. Okay, so maybe that's a bit simplified, but the principle holds true. Look at Bitcoin back in 2010, you could snag one for like $10. Now those early adopters are swimming in cash. Or how about TikTok? People are going from zero to viral overnight, building massive followings and cashing in on sponsorships and brand deals. The key is to find your seed, any skill, any talent, any interest, and figure out how to grow it fast. Here are a few real-world examples. Freelancing on platforms like Fiverr. You can offer writing, design, video editing, whatever your jam is, and start with small $5 gigs. As you build your reputation, you can charge more, take on bigger projects, and even build a whole freelance empire. Then there's dropshipping. Zero inventory, minimal startup costs. You just find trending products, list them on your Shopify store, and when someone orders, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. Boom, profit. And don't underestimate the power of affiliate marketing. Find a niche you're passionate about, start a blog or a YouTube channel, and include affiliate links to products you recommend. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a cut of the sale. The point is, you can start with literally nothing and build a profitable side hustle in just a few months. Gen Z is already doing it, and according to Bankrate, they're killing it, so what's stopping you? Chapter 3. Big plays for big pay. Now, for those of you who've got some cash to play with, let's talk about high-risk, high-reward moves. These are the big plays that can catapult you to millionaire status. First up, mastering AI. Indeed, the job search giant just revealed that AI skills can boost your salary by a whopping 47%. We're talking learning how to code AI-powered apps, build machine learning algorithms, or even just understanding how to leverage AI tools in your current job. Speaking of apps, building and selling your own app can be a one-way ticket to Easy Street. Remember Flappy Bird? That super simple, super addictive game was making its creator $50,000 per day at its peak. Real estate is another hot market in 2025. Find a fixer-upper in a rapidly growing area, give it a facelift and watch the rental income pour in, or flip it for a hefty profit. With housing prices continuing to climb, real estate is a solid investment that can generate serious wealth. And of course, we can't forget about crypto trading. Now, this one's not for the faint of heart, it's volatile, it's risky, but if you do your research, develop a solid strategy, and time the market just right, you could turn a small investment into a life-changing amount of money. Another option for those with an entrepreneurial spirit is launching a SaaS software as a service. Find a problem that businesses are facing and create a software solution that solves it. Scale it up, get subscribers, and you've got yourself a recurring revenue stream that can generate millions. Just look at Calendly. They simplified appointment scheduling and built a multi-million-dollar business. The key here is to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of safe bets like ETFs or index funds and sprinkle in some higher risk, higher reward options like crypto or startup investments. Chapter 4. Your 2025 Money Plan. Alright guys, are you ready to make 2025 your richest year yet? I'm talking about ditching the 9-to-5, traveling the world, and living life on your own terms. Here's your step-by-step playbook to make it happen. Step 1. Learn a valuable skill. AI, coding, graphic design, TikTok editing. Whatever you're interested in, there are tons of free resources available online. YouTube is your best friend. Step 2. Start hustling. Sign up for gig apps like Upwork or Fiverr, offer your services to friends and family, or find one client who can pay you enough to cover your rent. Once you've got that covered, you can focus on scaling up. Step 3. Reinvest every single dollar you make back into your hustle. Use it to run ads, upgrade your equipment, or even hire a team to help you grow faster. And whatever you do, watch out for scams. Anyone promising you $1 million in a day is trying to pull a fast one. Real wealth is built through consistency, hard work, and smart decision-making. Stick with it, and I promise you within 3 months, you'll start seeing a profit. Within a year, you could be well on your way to financial freedom. 2025 is your year. Whether you start with pennies or millions, the choice is yours. Pick your lane and let's make it happen. Outro Stack Cash in 2025. There you have it, guys. Making money in 2025. It's all about starting small, thinking big, and hustling harder than ever before. So tell me, what's your first move gonna be? Are you starting with the penny hustle or are you going all in on a big play? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to smash that like button if you're ready to make 2025 your richest year yet. Subscribe for more cash hacks and money-making strategies coming soon. Let's do this.